Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to transfer file ownership in Google Drive. If you need to hand over control of a document or folder to someone else, we will walk you through the simple steps to do it. Now let's get started. On your Google Drive dashboard, we will select the file we want to transfer ownership of. Let's use this sample document. This is the file we will transfer ownership of. We just need to right-click on it and select Share. Then click Share again. Here, we will add the person we want to become the new owner. Type in their email address. We can also add a message, such as New Owner. Once done, click Send to notify them. After that, go back to that file, right-click it, and select Share again. Next to their name, we will see a drop-down menu. Just click on it. Then select Transfer Ownership. Once done, we can send the invitation. Once they accept, they will become the new owner of that file. And that's it. We have successfully transferred file ownership in Google Drive. The new owner now has full control, and your file management stays organized.